What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I got some POV style video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about the cruise control in this car. Now you guys know this is a 6-speed manual, and yes, I have cruise control in it. The buttons are right here on the steering wheel. This is cruise on, cruise off, and then on the other side right here we got the resume button, plus, minus, and the cancel button. Cruise control in this car is, I don't know, I don't really use it that often. Like right now we're in 6th, we're cruising, and I guess that's where we turn on the cruise control, right? That light goes on in the dashboard, and when you set it up, it's gonna turn green. So I'm just gonna wait till I have a little bit of room here. There is a car behind us, so I don't wanna do it right now, but let's change lanes. And now we can put on the cruise control. So I'm gonna press the set button right here, and you see the light turn green. I let go of the accelerator, and now we're gonna be cruising at 110, and we're in 6th gear. It feels good. Usually the only time I really use cruise control is if I'm on a long drive and then my foot starts hurting a little bit and I just want a little break, so that's when I really put it in cruise control. Now I've only ever used it in 6th gear, so today maybe we can try and seeing if it engages in 5th gear and or also 4th gear as well. So let's see. I'm gonna press the cancel button and the RPM starts dropping. Foot back on the accelerator, and let's get on a straightaway so we can downshift to 5th and try to set the cruise control there. So now we're in 5th gear. Speed is 100 kilometers per hour. Press the set button. Oh shit, what do you know? We can set the cruise control in 5th gear as well. And I guess it's the same thing. If I press the clutch, the cruise control is gonna go off. And yes, if I want to change gears to 6th, I press the thing and it goes away. Same, I think, if you press brake or something. All right, so now we're in 6th, 5th, 4th, and now let's see if we can set it in 4th as well. 4th, 100 kilometers. Yep, we can set it in 4th as well. So good thing about this is now I can control the speed from this right here. Watch. Well, the 4th gear usually is really fast, but right now it's not doing nothing. So I press the brake and then the cruise control goes off as well. So there you guys go. That's what it is. Cruise control in a 6-speed manual. And yeah, it's like pretty not useful, I would say. Like, so I told you guys that I use it to take breaks in between, you know, when I'm driving long distances. So that only lasts about maybe like 10 minutes max, I would say, like the cruise control. Mostly other times I'm just driving the car myself. It is a manual car, so why would you want to put it on cruise control and turn it into an automatic? And yeah, so when you get into traffic like this, you have to know how to shift gear anyways, so you might as well be practicing all the time driving a manual car. If you wanted to chill and cruise, you could have bought an automatic car, but since you bought a manual car and you have a cruise control, yeah, just keep it fresh. Look at my buttons. They're still brand new. Like, I haven't even used them. I pressed this one because I'm like, I don't know, I have ADHD or something, so I just like click on this a lot of times. That's why it's like white over there. But even on the steering wheel, you guys can tell that this side never gets touched, and obviously this side is the volume control that gets touched the most, so that's why this one is like worn and stuff. But yeah, that was the whole video this time. I just wanted to experience this thing with you guys as well and show you guys if you have a Mazda 3 6-speed manual what you can use your cruise control for. You can use it in 4th, 5th, and 6th. Don't really need to use it in the 4th gear, and definitely not in the below gears, because why would you do that? The RPMs go really quickly. It's shorter gears. But yep, that's what it is. And now I'm just gonna go for a little drive and just have fun with the Mazda 3. So I'll see you guys in the next one.